Hello everyone, my name is Jason Matthew, and today we're going to be learning how to share a folder in Google Drive when filling out the USC course request form. So let's get started. So you would have started filling out your USC course request form. You would have enter the instructor's name and email and so on. And as you proceed with the course request form, they're asking you here, is the instructor a new faculty member? Now, if you say yes, you'll be further prompted to provide the instructor's academic credentials. Now, the best way to do this is you got to do the work up front. So you're going to have a folder on your computer that has the person's academic credentials. In this case, the instructor is John Smith. So I already have his certificates, his transcripts, and his CV all in PDF format. So once you have that, now you now have to create a link. And the best way to do this is to do it via your Google Drive. So the first thing you'll have to do is log in using your USC credentials. And the reason why we're doing it this way is that you have unlimited storage in Google Drive via your USC credentials. So you could just log in into Gmail and so on with your USC credentials. And once you're there, you're then going to access your Google Drive. So I've already done that, and I'm just going to do a demo folder here. So you're going to take the folder that you have on your desktop and simply drag and drop into your Google Drive. It's going to take probably a minute or two to upload. And once it does that, it tells you it's there. So I have John Smith academic credentials folder. And if you just go into it, it has all his credentials there. Once you have that, you just right click the folder, and one of the options is get shareable link. You click that. Right now it's saying link sharing off, so you activate that by just clicking that tab there, and then you click on sharing settings. Just make sure that when you click on your settings here, it's anyone at the University of the Southern Caribbean with the link can edit. You click copy link. Done. You go back to your USC course request form. You right click in the space provided and you click paste. And now you have the link there. Now, next thing is once you submit this form, this information, the academic credentials of this instructor, will go directly to the dean of distance education as well as the administrative assistant, and they're going to keep this in their records. So you just click next. Do you have another course to enter? If you do, click yes. I'm just going to click no to end it off now. Next. And once you click that submit button, as I said, all the information will be sent. So that's it, everyone. Once again, my name is Jason Matthew. I'm the coordinator of the Instructional Design and Development Unit at USC. And if you need any further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact me at matthewj@usc.edu.tt, or you can get me at my extension 2733. God bless. Bye.